Hold on a minute. See that? It's a pretty big place. I'll get a better shot of it later. So, we're here. It was brutal, wasn't it?
That was a rough ride getting over here.
Yeah. So this is the place right here. Killen's Barbecue. I'm guessing this is their parking lot here? Right?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yep, looks like people are going in.
That or there, it's a fundraiser for car wash.
Or something, I don't know what.
Got the hose out.
Okay guys, we fought through the rain. We fought through the traffic. We paid 14 million toll booths.
That was funny.
Yeah, this place better be great. I'm not gonna take it out on this place, but we're not in the best of moods right now. It was kind of rough. It was a long drive from San Antonio, but we are on the next episode. Thank you, Char-Griller, for sponsoring Char-Griller Barbecue Wars Tour, Texas Edition. That's a whole mouthful,
Texas,
man.
I know.
That's
Speaking
a
of
lot.
mouthfuls,
Oh yeah, you wanna go eat?
this way.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, this is the back side where the parking lot is. Got all their wood right there. Look at that. Look at them smokers. Boom. Right out here. Those are huge. Are we going in the front door?
Let's go in the front.
All right, let's go through the front. So we are on Broadway. Every town has a Broadway. Every town we've found has a Cesar Chavez Boulevard. Every town we've driven through has a Martin Luther King Boulevard. Can anybody just like pick another name? Every city has the same streets. Here it is. Killen's Barbecue, Texas Barbecue. So this is what it looks like. That's the eating area, guys, right there. Pretty big eating space. And then this is kind of like a meat and three setup. I can't, these lights always screw with it. So here we go, ready? There's that side of the menu. See that right there? Take a look, pause the video if you need to see everything. Beef rib plate. Ooh, they have beef ribs, dude. We're doing beef ribs, and then on this side, there's by the pound prices. Looking good. That is wet brisket. Definitely. Oh my gosh. Are you? Did you throw burnt ends? Just yeah. Oh no, that's it. That's the burnt fat. Can I get 2 nice slices of brisket?
2 slices of brisket?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I need two ribs.
Okay.
What? Yeah, thick slices.
You want like a moist brisket?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Is there anything else really? That'll work. You know what? I'll take the whole thing. We'll take all of it. And then I'll put up. Go ahead. You put up there.
Over here, right?
Yeah, we're together. Yeah. 2. What did you take those? Just both, the whole thing.
You want to
Take all that. Is there 2 there?
It's gonna be like 1 pound.
Yeah, I'll take that.
There you go. What else?
And then is that beef rib right there?
Yeah, well, this one is the plate. We got about a pound.
I'm gonna do the beef rib plate.
You wanna do the beef rib plate?
Yes, beef rib plate. It's got all that. Yeah, this is gonna cost a pretty penny.
You got a beef rib plate?
I know. Look up. That's so wet in
You don't
there.
have to put the napkin in your mouth.
No, this is gonna be some moist.
Beef rib plate?
Good stuff. Say again?
And beef rib?
Yeah, the beef rib plate, mac and cheese, and potato salad. I'm telling you, everything's nice here. The tables are really nice. The seating is great. You got paper towels, plenty of paper towels. And then right here, they let you do all your to-go stuff yourself. Different size items, little trays, drinks, and then the extras are right there for pickles. All right, we're gonna show you up close right now. Here's the ribs. The award-winning looking ribs right there. That's the brisket. Let's move this real quick. Show you how beautiful that brisket is. Unbelievable. That pulled pork is in a pile of juice. It is not going to be dry. Unbelievable. And then look how big that is. That's my hand. And that is the beef rib right there. Is that gorgeous? That is massive. Okay, we're gonna dive into this. I'm really excited. This place looks top notch. Dude, everything top notch. All right, what are you doing first?
Well, those were really good.
That was a free sample of what?
Those collard greens, they were amazing too. I mean,
They were.
They were freaking great. Awesome.
If you go to any barbecue joint and tell them it's your first time ever, do they have a sample of anything they recommend? They'll give you samples. I'm telling you that right now.
Yeah.
All right, I say we go to the best first.
Yeah, absolutely.
The beef?
You got it. It's right in front of you. Just take a rip out of it.
You're gonna go first.
No, you do it.
No, I'm on camera mode. You go first. Just go ahead, grab it and bite right into it. I don't care.
Ready?
We'll cut it off
Did you
later.
show him that thing?
What?
Did you show everybody?
Put it right up to your head. Put it right up to your head. That's it. All right.
Ready?
Yep. Not in your mouth? Is that great?
Yeah.
All right, he bit there. I'm going to bite on the other side. Here we go.
Pulled pork.
Okay, go
Right?
ahead.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I mean, that's looking really good.
It didn't get any more wet than that.
No, I don't think so either.
Make it happen, dude. Here we go.
That's a big piece right there.
Yep. Oh, yeah, to scoop the lip. That's juicy.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So
Okay.
let's get.
Okay. Eat that.
What?
Eat that.
What?
Eat
You've
that.
never done that to me before. You've never saw me filming.
We need to eat that.
Okay. Wow, he's really excited about this. Okay. All right, let me get that going.
That's a good bite.
There we go. Go bone.
It's got some
Ooh.
flavor.
And him gushing out.
I know.
Who does that?
That was really good.
Oh my God.
Really good.
Yes, it is. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
That's
Good.
them.
Yeah.
Pulled pork right there. Guys, so far, that's a home run right on the plate.
All the way.
Come on, break it up.
That's a
Hold
moist.
on. It's also moist.
Yeah.
Ah, screw it.
Pull it apart. There you go. Yeah.
A little cold. It's not warm.
No.
No, put your finger on that piece. Try it.
It's not.
Feel the
not
bottom. Feel the bottom right there.
It's not overly hot.
No, it's okay. Trust me. I'm eating it no matter what. I just want you guys to know what we're getting. Okay, that could have came out of the freezer and still be amazing. Oh my gosh. I never even heard of this place. Okay. Let's do this coleslaw real quick.
All right.
Look how much red cabbage is in there. This has got to be a vinegar base. No way.
Really?
Yeah. And I was in a bad mood a few minutes ago before we got here. All right, give it a try. Come here. Now I know I've eaten with Mitch enough barbecue that I know. He likes a little sweet and a
my
little
God.
bit of vinegar in it. So it balances, right?
It's so fresh.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Like he just cut it.
It's really good.
Unbelievable.
Let's just grab this one. That looks
Wow,
nice.
look at the smoke ring. Goes, look almost completely through, guys. That's true smoke color.
Oh,
How is it? Smoke flavor all the way through? Can I see the bone yet or not? No?
Check.
Yeah.
that
We'll
is
get there. It looks moist though, dude.
it's a
Oh, there
home,
it is.
it's
There
a
it
home
is.
run
Yep.
on the rib.
What?
It's a home run on the
Look
rib.
at, let me see your
Yep.
face. Look at me. Don't even touch. There it is. Oh my God.
It is.
All right.
You could do the lips, I think, on that one.
I will.
Signature.
All right, here we go. I'm trademarking the lip pull. Well, the thing is, these are cut differently. So I'm gonna, all right, here we go. Ready? No. Lips aren't pulling it off. But look, It comes off with no problem.
Yep, no problem.
Mine's right here.
What?
I think we're taking home their rub.
The rub is fantastic.
The rub is amazing. I think I'm buying the rub on the way home. For the way home,
It's
okay?
not dried out yet.
Oh my god. The mac and cheese. It's got that breadcrumb crust. We got the cheese going and tiny elbow macaroni. Here we go. Now we're gonna. I'm just like giddy. I'm like a little kid. We haven't felt this in a while since the shed.
I know.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Potatoes, and that's a whole piece of potato right there. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna jump ahead and say it's not as good as what we had last night. That's like St. Clair's.
Potato salad. Yeah.
But that's really good, dude. You ready to try it? All right. There's no way Mitch ain't gonna like that food.
That's really good. Oh, you're right though. It's not. It's not there. It's right there though. I mean, it's pretty close.
But you taste all that mustard, right?
Yeah, I do. I love it. It's really good. All right. That looks delicious. That's how it should be.
Thank you.
It's delicious.
All right, the rain caught up to us again.
It has.
Talk to me.
All right, so here we are at Kills? Right?
Killen.
Sorry. Well, anyway, it's a great way to start the day. I think they nailed everything in there. I mean, everything. The meats, the ribs were fantastic. Their rub was great. Actually, their rub was probably the best I've had on this trip so far. It wasn't as salty, not feeling that really dehydrated feeling. But the only thing they kind of missed on was that beef rib. Had some hard spots in it, so wasn't the best beef rib we've had since we've been out. But everything else, guys, was absolutely fantastic. I would definitely come back to this place. I mean, if I lived here, this would be my home right here. So they nailed it. Great job.
Okay. Every time I've complained about dry and hard, it's been because they left it out on the cutting board until people came by. Okay? Ooh. Getting stormy. Gonna be standing in front of there. There we go. Okay, so that beef rib was sitting on the cutting board beside the pit boss, the pit master, sitting out there drying out. It was hard. It wasn't like butter, like Pecan Lodge, man. It was butter smooth, right through all the meat. So don't get the beef rib. Don't get the beef rib. That's all I got in complaints. Everything else was amazing. Everything else was flawless. Not a lot of salt. We love the seasoning. The sides were home runs. All the meats. That pulled pork, everybody stop. Everybody listen. That pulled pork is the best, not just on the show, that I've ever had in my life. All right, scores on the screen and our breakdowns down below. I love you guys, and we're gonna be going to the next spot. So we will see you there.